I just wanted to see what it'd be like to call you dad.
Yes.
So I text. We're using 2 different headphones so that we can't hear each other. Our movie.
Because it won't be coming out of the speakers.
Yeah, so we're gonna have like.
Nice. Have fun. Alright, good evening, hello. I'm Wallaber as usual. And I am working on Pro Gymnast, my gymnastics acrobatics game. It's an evening stream tonight. And we've been making good progress on the game. In fact, I'm going to open up my to-do list right now just to double check how it's looking. But it's looking very good. Yeah, so I have a couple little issues and bugs and things I could work on. But really, I need to make progress on levels. And so rather than starting with any features today, let's start with levels. Make sure we get some progress on levels. So as usual, I'm going to consult my level database scene here. I really should like, I don't know, print this out or something. That's cool. I'm just going to take notes. Alright, how are we looking here? So we're going to keep just working through these levels. And try to make sure they all look good. So we got clean arc right here at the top-ish. And then from there down. So today, let's see if we can get through the rest of this map at the very least. So clean arc, transfer student. Transfer variety. Bar to bar. Big rebound. And beach. Leap to trapeze. Okay, so these are all pretty short, simple levels. Let's see if we can have a look at all those. That'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. So we go back to the game scene. Oh, I'm just realizing too, another thing I need to do is I need to do an optimization pass. The game's been running fine, but I was working on a different project today, and I need to do some profiling and optimization on it. It made me realize that, kind of because this game is a PC game, I haven't really run into performance issues, and it's been out there a little while as a beta, so I haven't heard much in the way of performance problems from players, but at the same time, it was probably a good idea to at least profile it a few times and look for the hot spots and do a little round of cleanup. So I want to make sure I do that before the release. Okay. What do we got first? Clean arc. It's going to be right here. So this level is basically just fling yourself through this narrow trajectory path here and grab onto this rope. Pretty simple. And I've already replaced it with my new motorized wheels that are slightly more reliable in terms of speed and trajectory. This is what's hard about this level, is you gotta go over this thing, but not so high as to hit the roof. And it's not awesome right now. Like, the trajectory is kind of tricky. It's like right in between, where it's like you gotta go really low like this, and you get lots of speed, but there's nothing to really do with that speed. So I think we want to make this trajectory a little bit more interesting. Let's see. Let's go like this. Real quick. Turn this down a little bit. There we go. Alright, so yeah. Don't love the trajectory on this. I like the idea of this level though. So let's try making it a little more like, I guess what we should do is we should grab this whole thing, kind of move it out of the way. And what if we put this like farther over? Okay. Get this out of the way for the most part. Just kind of look at. So if you come around here on a pretty good swing like this one. So do we want something like that? Or do we want like a higher, more of an arc trajectory? So that would be something like where you need to go like that. Like boom, 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 and then catch it, you know? And this still gives you kind of somewhat unreliable speed. And wait a minute, maybe we can try that. Get a little cleaner on entry onto it, but like you get a pretty big difference here if you go on kind of like a slow one like that versus a fast one like that. So that would be, we would want to put this more like here. Maybe actually the parallel bars would be a better target. See, look at the range of that. Like now I flew way over it. Okay, that's kind of cool. Alright, so if that's the trajectory-ish that we want to see, we're saying you need to go like up and over like this-ish. Okay, let's test that. So if you see that thing there, you're like, whoa, okay. Huh, go over it. Whoa! There's really a big range of trajectories you can get out of this thing. You see, that's barely made it. And this is going to go way over. Yeah. Now I could make this a different mechanism to launch you. Like one that's a little more deterministic. Which would be what? I guess it would be a moving path bar. I haven't done too many of those yet. Too many levels that do this particular thing. This would be something like this, where this like comes like this and then turns a little bit. Yeah, maybe even like this. And then like self-powered. Okay. And then this would be like just an ease in with a small movement time. Okay. Yeah, something like that, you know? Where you need to let go at the right time. This is a lot more reliable. So we could say like, okay, cool, yeah, we want you to go like pretty high, up and over. Maybe we'll add a node here like this. I should have made it a way that you could add, like you could grab in the center here and just add a new point to these walls, but I didn't ever do that. Let's see what that's like. That was very close, okay. Ooh. That was dramatic, that's cool. Okay, cool, and if we want just a little more speed out of this thing, what we do is we just lengthen this a little bit. So we grab this point here and we lengthen it. Just a little bit. It makes quite a difference, actually. So we could maybe undo that slightly. Okay. And then let's add the roof piece back in. So this would be like... And we're looking for a specific kind of trajectory. Like this. Let's see how this looks. Oh! Okay, too early. Okay, so I hit the ceiling there. This is gonna hit the ceiling. Yeah, you really can go quite high. Yeah, like right there. Yeah, okay. Interesting. Alright, so what if we say that the whole thing's a little higher? More like this. And like that. You're dangerously close to clipping your feet on the wall right there. So let's calm that down a little bit, but not like that though. Undo that. Just grab this point. Move it in a little bit. Something like that. Ooh. Okay, so I'm maybe giving this a little too much. How about just like this? Ugh. Okay, if I don't press anything at all, and I just watch the trajectory here and I say go. Not enough forward momentum now. Okay, that's pretty close. So, yeah, if I want to let you have a little more forward momentum, I have to go like this. Like that. And we know the timing on this, so we can get this thing swinging in a way that makes it swing towards you at the end, which is kind of cool. Not like that. Whoa. Let's go like that. Okay. Oof. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, I totally missed it. So does this need to be start over this way? Hmm. Well, that was cool. 60,000 points. Let's see. So we can back this off a little bit now, and then set these up a little more thoughtfully. Something like that. Okay. Now, this has made this level a little less interesting from a chalk point of view, because where do I hide, you know, or place the chalk to make this interesting? Probably maybe like at the very peak of the jump, or just barely clipping past, you know? So either like way up here where you have to like and click the chalk there, or what if this is like right here? Is that interesting? So here you have to come at it and be like, now. Get past it, clip it, oh, and then don't hit your head too hard here, and catch it. Nice, that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. I think I'll take that. Let's see. Let's do the same thing over here. Let's put a mat kind of like drooped across the transition, and then we'll add another one like this. Okay, now let's look at the time and the points. So I think this was going to be more like 50,000. And I can't remember how the time was looking, so let's test that now. Okay, if you don't use slow-mo, this is what this level is going to be all about. You have to not use slow-mo, right? If you don't use the slow-mo, 6.5. Whoa. That one would have been 7.2 or 3. 6.3. Okay, so there's between 6 and 7 basically. Yeah. And now if you slow down time even a little bit, okay. Looks like if I set it to 7 seconds, it's gonna be sort of accomplish the task. So there, that was like pretty short. It took more than 7. I mean, I could probably get it under 6 if I just barely touch this and then let go. Yeah, but that was, okay, cool. So that's the answer there. This should be 7. Okay, save. Okay, so this one looks pretty good. I like the changes to this. This is more fun. And getting the chalk now is quite tricky, but pretty cool. Look at that. And then I'm gonna jump off here. Switch directions, do a front flip. Catch. That was a low score though. Double check the score. So if we just like, yeah, and then get in the tuck. Oh, come on. I missed the tuck. There it is. $45,000. 50,000 might be a little high. It's very doable though. That was 70,000. Throw in some twists. Well, not like that though. Hit the ceiling. Oh gosh. Trying to do it without slow-mo. Oh. How was that only 2,000 points? Something got a little weird there. Oh, I think that's because I had a collision with the wall. So it stopped scoring after that. That makes sense. Like I'm gonna have here. 24,000. I'm going up too fast and I'm hitting the walls here. That was a million. Holy cow. Getting in a bunch of twists really does the trick though. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work out. Alright, I should move on. Holy cow. Okay, it looks like the twist score might need to back off a little bit on it. It's pretty ridiculous, isn't it? Try that again. I think it just grows to such a big number. 2,500, 17,000, 125,000, 883,000, 44. Yeah, okay. So twist is getting out of hand. Just a bit. Also, look at that huge score. Text formatting. It's like we need a cap for twisting, where if you've hit like, once you hit like 7 twists or something, it like caps out the value it's giving. Cap/adjust the twist combo. Also okay. But otherwise this level is looking good. So we're gonna say 45,000. Yeah. Save that. Mark it as green. Okay. That was clean arc. We changed that one quite a bit. The next one is transfer student. Okay, so this level is kind of cool. So this is what used to be an earlier level. You gotta go like this, drop off onto here, and then just get over to the bar here. So I like this one. Short level, but the this is one where those differences in score and time can be pretty interesting. So you gotta let go right there. Oh. Trying to do it without slow-mo to see. 4.6, okay. Oh. 4.4. So under 5 seconds is fast. So if I do this, and I do this, I'm past 5 now. That's doable. Okay, so this one we're gonna say it's the cutoff is 5 seconds. Okay. Now let's look at the score. So score for this one would be like you want to do. Oops. You want to like do a trick right here, but you know actually catch it. Let's see. Oh. How did I miss that? It's actually pretty tight to try and tight spot here to try and squeeze a trick in. There we go. 3,000. And then if we just get some momentum up, it's gonna be hard to do this as a combo. Alright, so that was like 3,000. Now what if instead we just drop to this, and we try... it's not gonna happen. This is very tight quarters here. It's a little tricky to get any kind of a trick going. But what if we do that? What if we do just like a whoop? Keep the momentum up. And, oh, is that possible? That's probably possible. Yeah. And there's only 500 points though, huh? Those are like hardly flips. They're like, you know, actually only like half a flip. Nope, that's not going anywhere. Score is not going to be too interesting on this level, I think. There's nowhere really to do anything. I mean, I guess you could try to like clear the whole thing. The big trick. Let me see if that's possible. So if I drag back like this and then... Oh no. No. Oh, I should have opened up. I should have opened up. I probably could have got that. Come on, trajectory. Don't fail me here. Nope. Nope. Gonna be too low. Is this doable? Oh no. Come on. Come on. Ugh. I don't know. I don't know if this could be done. Let's see, what if I... Thanks, Clay. I'm glad you believe in me. Nope. 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 Is there a way to, like, kill like that and then give a... Ooh. Nope. That's gonna be worse. Yeah, I don't believe in that. I mean, that was cool. That was cool. What am I doing right now? I am playtesting my levels to try and decide things like what should the score medal be for this level? Like what kind of score are we looking for you to get on this level? What I think we're going to say is to get score of the level, we just want you to do some kind of trick here. And then that's it. What's this, you know? It was like 9,000 points. And what if it's more like... So let's just say, yeah, we're going to say you need to do at least like a double flip-ish. So like that. What was that? Okay. So let's... This level's just... It's not going to have a huge threshold. We're going to say 2,000 points. We already checked 5 seconds is good. Now the chalk on this level, you just have to kind of clip it like that, and then find your way. Like this is one way to do it. Go like that, and then catch here. And then totally screw that up. Oh no. Oh no. Or you can like go like this, drop off, grab back on there. Yeah. And then I don't really care, you just have to get to the end. I can't believe I missed that somehow. But yeah, alright, I like the chalk on this one. So this is an interesting spot. Let's see. Is there anything else about this? These, we could drop them down so they don't fall at the beginning. I guess we could put like a big crash mat here just for fun. In case you like go early. Get a more enjoyable little flop there. Boom. Okay, that one's good. Save. Alright, what's next? Okay, next is the level that I used in the original trailer. This is one of the longer levels. This one. I mean, it's only got 1, 2, like 3 to 4 transitions, but in this game, that's a lot. You have to jump across here to this rope. You got to get speed, build up the momentum on the rope, so that you can work your way over here. Uh-oh, uh-oh, get it, get it. Oh, I got too anxious there. Oh, now I'm really low on the rope. This is gonna be a little tricky. Okay, build up some swing. I'm really happy that that ponytail now has physics on it. It looks so much better. Okay, here we go. Sure. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Actually grab it, thanks. Okay. And then you ride this thing up to here, and then in theory, the like ideal way to do this level is you swing your legs up like this, catch them onto here, lock them in, and then go around like this and grab onto the bar down there, hopefully. Like that. Although, this is a good level where you could certainly shortcut the level, and we should maybe ask you to do that. And for the time win. So now we also have to decide how many times we're going to let you like flail around right here to gain up speed, because this is a big difference in this level, whether you take a lot of time there or get it done right away. Because see here, we should be able to just go like this. Well, something like that. Alright, so... Okay... Oh no... Yeah, transitioning from the rope to something is quite hard. I wonder, actually... So the advantage of the rope is that this first jump is pretty easy because there's lots of places you can grab onto the rope. But then you have this like crappy jump after. So what if we try replacing this with a rigid trapeze? So I guess it would probably be this one. So something like this. So you come over here. Oh, what is that doing? Is that colliding with the wall? Looks like it's colliding with the wall. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I put that there to look cute, but Maybe that was ill-advised. We're probably gonna have to adjust the like geometry of this first jump now. But it's too close, it looks like. It'd be something like that, and then you've got this, you know, this bar here, which is a little bit easier to keep and get some swing from, to jump across to here, which is cool. And then you could do this and just skip this whole thing. Watch this, it's gonna be incredible. Yes. No. That's okay. This is coming later in the game, so I don't mind this being a little tricky. So this, we're gonna, what if we extend this out a little bit? Grab this, move it out like this. So you come over like this. Yeah, okay. Whew. Whew. That was 17, but that was with a significant amount of slow-mo. If we said, we just want you to... Oh, okay, here we go. Boom, straight across. Get over there in one jump. And then... even if you just went boom, boom... That would have been, what, 14.5 if I could get that on the first try? Okay. I like it better than the rope, for sure. Grab it. Okay, that was 11.2. Oh, got to take a second swing here. Oh, and even then I screwed it up. Huh. Nope. There it is. Oh, how did I cheese that? Ouch. Ouch. A little later. A little later. Little later. There it is. Huh. Oh, I wasted that opportunity. It's gonna be an interesting one to set a score threshold for also. You can definitely go for bigger tricks on each one of these transitions here. Oh my god, I can't believe I screwed that up. Here, to do a couple flips, you'd have to be pretty careful because you're gonna miss the bar. There it is. Oh. Yeah, you gotta keep a little forward momentum. This is actually pretty tricky to do. A couple flips, like a double right there. Nope. I don't think I've got this. Oh, maybe I do. Maybe I do. There we go. And then... Hope the trajectory is... Nope. And then smack into the wall. See that? You got to keep the forward momentum. This might come around. That was cool. 20,000 there. And then, like, I guess this is just gonna sit here, right? Yeah, so you could probably kind of just like this. Come around. Oh, kidding me. That thing is in the way. That was something, some kind of a flip. Okay, alright, I should focus a little more on what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, what did we say was fast time? So the fast time was, the fast version of this level was go like this, boom. Get over here with 1, okay, I gotta do that. Boom. Boom. Okay. And then even if you just play it normal, go like this, don't like doing, oh, okay, wasted some time here. Seconds. Okay. Nope. Oh. Nope. This is definitely on the hard side. There it is, okay. What do we got here? And then we go like this, catch on there, boom, come around, grab it. Ooh, come on. Come on. Get some height. Don't do that. I wonder if I should adjust that ending a little bit. I wonder what would I want to do to the ending. Like this whole like knee thing is kind of cool. I guess I just make it slightly easier, huh? Like that. Okay. Boom. Nope. Nope. There it is. Ish. Okay. Get the legs on. Grab on. Go. Oh! That's weird. Okay, what was that? 19? Hang on. So we want this to be maybe even 2 clicks over. Let's try that. Whoops. Whoops. Okay. And we're gonna go for just a single. Grab onto it. Go. Okay. What was that? 15? That was pretty fast. I think we want to go for this like fast combo here. Oh. And then this ought to be even easier now too, where you just That was 16, but I instinctively went into slow-mo there. So we're thinking though, like under 15 seems to be pretty fast. You see, I'm gonna lose speed here. Quite a bit actually. Oh my god. Alright, I think 15 is pretty fast for this level. Like here. Am I gonna be able to get to it? Nope. Okay. And then like could have got that. Yeah. Alright. So 15 it is. Not 9 minutes. 15 seconds is fast on this level. Okay. Now, what about score? Now we could do a double here. Roughly like this, although I'm going to miss this one probably. Yeah. Gotta keep that forward momentum like that. Boom. And then... Oh, bad move. Okay. Caught it. Okay, now let's just try doing a flip between these two. But keep it kind of easy. Just... Oh, no. 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 Get the center of mass over there. No. Dang. Okay. So a double here. No, no, no. Boom. Okay. And then like... No, 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 no. Dang. Oh, I'm gonna maybe miss this. Probably gonna miss it. Yep. Okay, single here. Oh, any more swing, or am I just coming out of this too early? Let's see. Hold. Go there. Bring it around. Grab it. 3,000. And then, I mean, if you want score here, you probably want to, like, not mess with this thing. And just go for, like, at least a flip down. No, that's so sad. I almost wonder if I should make that last bar easier. But we can leave this one pretty challenging, right? Nice. The other thing you could do too is you could probably rack up some points right here by doing a release move, although that bar is really in the way, isn't it? You have to go like this. Oh, and it goes away. That's mean. But you could do that. Did I miss that? Okay. Alright. Alright. So we're gonna say we're not expecting a ton of points. So this is a pretty hard level. Not a big trick level. 6,000. Okay. Now this level I don't think has any chalk in it. So where do I put the chalk? The chalk could be shortcutting to the last bar. It could be, yeah, the obvious places are, we could put it here somewhere, where it's like, oh, yo, you got a shortcut, like, along this line. Or I could put it up here and say, catch the big trapeze and then gain height. Or I could put it like up here and say, you guys, oh, I have it right there. I actually have it in here currently. Interesting. Do I like it all the way up there? Not really. What if instead it was like over here somewhere, and so you have to do a swing around the bar like on the way up? Like if I put it like right there. Let's try that. Of course now I have to get there. Right, and then I'm like, oh, I gotta get the chalk. Oh no, I missed it. And if you miss it, you're kind of out of luck because there's no easy way to go backwards. So it would be like this, and then I want to, I want to swing around. Oh, pretty far away. Let's put it, put it more like, if it's like here. Kind of interesting, because I think you'll see it then. Oh, couldn't quite get to it. So here you'd be like, oh, I gotta come around and get it. There we go. That's cool. Let's make sure you don't just sort of naturally get that. You have to at least, you know, do something specific to get it. Okay, so if you just, well, this is probably gonna get it actually. No. Okay, yeah, you gotta do something specific. I like that. Oh. It's like you just miss it. It's amazing. Cool. All right. Oh, look at that. I don't think that's how it works in reality. But that's pretty funny. Okay. Okay. Level. Save. Happy with that one. These take longer than you'd think. And these levels already exist. Okay, bar to bar. This is a very simple level. This is just the first time where it's like do 2 bar to bar jumps in a row. Which is not as easy as it looks, see? So, this would be a fun one to do quickly. Yes. Okay. So if you want to do this level fast, like, do I want it even faster than that, where it's like boom, boom? Ooh. Okay, so it's possible to do it in under 3 seconds. That's 5. Ooh. 2.4, yeah, so under 3 is kind of cool. Looks like you could do it that way, or you could do it the quick transition way, like that. Okay, so 3 seconds is doable. Wow. Do I make it that hardcore? Say 4. Now, this one, yeah, this one's, there's not like a ton to do with regards to where to put the chalk and stuff. I like the chalk is in a good enough spot here where you gotta come over here and you gotta do like a flip more like this. Which is cool. And then what about score? So, I mean, this level in theory you can, if you do like, uh-oh, uh-oh. If you do like, let's say you do, nope, not like that. Like a double. And a double. Pretty quickly, what would that be? 7,700. Ooh. Huh. And then 1, 2. Can I pull 3 around? Probably not. Probably not. Yeah, 8,000. Okay. So what did I have this at? Let's make this, yeah, 6,000. Okay. Save. That one's good. Okay. Big rebound. Okay, this level. about this level? Oh, this one's weird. So this is kind of a gimmick level, where you get shoved down by these 2 bars and bounce off the trampoline. And if you get it right, you come off this way and make it to the mat. And but you have to let go kind of at the right time here. And then you have a few options there. There we go. So that was pretty solid there. So you don't have a ton of control over what happens in this level. Oops. Oh, I was trying to grab lower on the rope and that did not go as planned. Oh, you can grab right there too. Although there's not a lot of reason to. Oh, did I tap the wall or the mat? I guess I did. There we go. And then this would be the score opportunity, I guess. Oh! Yeah, score's gonna be interesting on this one. That was 6,000. And then I guess you could like cheese in a little release move here. Grab back onto the rope. Yeah. And then head over. That's kind of cool. What about time? Fast mode on this would be to skip all that and just go straight to it. 5.9 seconds. Not like that. Ouch. Whoa! Touch it. Oh. Seconds, but that was with slow-mo. Oh, hit the bar. .5. Here we go. Here we go. This will be a fast one. Yeah, okay, so it's 5 or 6 seconds. So, yeah, we had it at under 6. That's... Yeah. Maybe we'll make that 7. Chalk is in an okay spot. Score... We can make this higher. Basically say you need to catch on somewhere and do some kind of a trick. Not like this. This is gonna hurt. This. Ugh. Get out of there. Oh, how did I... Oh man, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. And still, that's going to be a ton of points. Cool. Okay. Whatever. Alright, so that's fine. That's big rebound. Pretty solid. Okay, beach leap to trapeze. This is a short level. Where is it? Is that like a different name or something? There it is. I don't know why it's not alphabetical down here. So this is just get the timing right and make a pretty large jump over to the trapeze bar, which would be like right now. Like, wow. Bang! 525. Now, if you want to do it fast, you do it like that. Right off the bat. Boom. Oh, come on. Boom. Nope. Oh, oops. hit my head on it. There it is. 2.29 seconds. Now what did I have this set at? 15, come on. We're gonna say like 5. Now, if I set it to like 5, you pretty much have to do it on the first go, right? Because if you wait for that thing to swing back again, right here, yeah, you're past 5 seconds already. Yeah, you pretty much have to get it on the first go. Nope. Yeah, cool. I like that. And then the chalk is right above you, so you just got to do a pretty solid vertical release here. Boom. And then get over there, which, you know, kind of hard. Let's try a layout. Watch this. Whoa. Get it! Get it! No! Let's see if we can do like, double layout. Get it. That was pretty. That was worth making a GIF. Something like that. The yeah. Hands were still a little squirrely in the air. Look at that falling back a little bit. But otherwise, pretty cool. GIF it. Let's do like a 50% speed GIF. Okay. Let's see what it looks like from like dramatic low angle side view. That's cool. All right. I think we finished that level. Okay. Whoa! What is going on here? What? 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 Ooh. Let's... Wowzers. What the heck? So... Oh, did we throw an exception? Oh no, it's just freaking out because the mesh... Oh, we did throw an exception here, but that's... I'm not sure if that's a big deal. And then... Is that... It's not throwing an exception down here, is it? It's just... freaking out because some junk was here, let's do this. Let's just look at the errors. Yeah, things are just freaking out. What the heck is this? I've not seen this before. So if we look at this trapeze. Okay, so where is the actual thing you grab? Here. Okay, it's moving in a reasonable manner. Oh, oh. See that? It was starting to like resolve. It's like the something super screwed up with the ropes. All of them. Wow. Yeah, they're oscillating like crazy. Look at that. And then they almost like calm down. Maybe they even do calm down if I'm stepping through it. But if I let it play, they freak out. So what is the deal there? This feels like it has something to do with the fact that I went into a replay and then exported that replay. Maybe. Guess we want to see if we can reproduce this. But what? Let's see. This is a. Where's the actual rope itself? Visual rope. And then. How does this work? Alright, first time we're looking at code today. Alright, we set rope auto simulate to false. Okay, wait, let's go look at this rope while we're still in the moment here. Hopefully. I don't know why it suddenly... Oh, because I changed those levels. Okay. Let's see. If we go to debug here. Okay, auto simulate is on, which it shouldn't be because when playback is going to start, we turn this off. And when playback stops, we put it back to the way we found it. But so these things are trying to simulate while they're also being replayed, I think is the problem here. Can I... If I turn that off for both of these, do they... Then they go back to normal. Okay. Well, that's the problem. The problem probably has some kind of sequencing issue because... Yeah. Because whenever we say... If this gets called twice, we would be in a problem. Because what will happen is, it's like, hey, what was it? And let's say we were coming out of gameplay, so it says, oh, it used to be set to true. So we're going to set this to false now. And then, like, without stopping playback, we go in here and do another playback. Now it's going to look at this and say, oh, it was true. And then when you finally stop playing back, it's going to set it back to true, or something like that. Some kind of sequence like that. Okay, how do I make this a little more robust? We know that in playback, we never want auto-simulate to be on. Do we know for sure when playback stops that we want it to turn back on? Or can... Or can we just make sure, like what if we just said, look, we don't care what you do, but when playback starts, you cannot be simulating. And then, so let's go up here. We're gonna get rid of this variable. And we're just gonna say, when playback starts, let's actually do it in did. Not that it really makes any difference because these functions are like, there's no, the replay system doesn't really do anything meaningfully between the wills and the did, but whatever. So in playback says we're like you're done. And then what we could do is when we say when recording will start or did start recording, where is that? Did start recording. Or like if we're recording, this thing should be true. And let's see if we can reproduce this now. It seemed to not happen if you just go into the normal flow. It's only if you go into the replay editor and then possibly only if you actually export something. Well, let's test this. If I get this working, this might be a good stopping point for tonight. Maybe we'll try and like make I don't know, make one more level or something. Alright, so let's try this. So we're gonna load up Beach Leap to Trapeze, which was for some reason way down here alphabetically. It must have a different file name than the like authored name, which is a rare case. It means I manually edited it at some point. Okay, so we want to test playing the level, and so I think we need to beat the level. So there we go, we beat the level, we come here, everything looks fine. We go into the replay editor, we muck around in it, we leave that, okay, and we're wigging out. And if we're wigging out here, my belief is it's because these ropes have auto simulate turned on, and they shouldn't. And they shouldn't. Yes, that's what it is, and it's these ones too. They also have auto simulate turned off. Right? Okay, so who else is manipulating the auto simulate? So this is what is this, visual rope? Okay. And this is just a public. Yeah. Oh boy, lots of people talk to this. Okay. Slack trapeze is doing some junk with it. Here we go. So what's it doing? When we initialize the game state, we turn all of them on and reset them. Otherwise, we set it to false. That seems okay. That's interesting. And then this. It did start recording. Is that somehow happening? Shouldn't. And the rest of these are just looking at the auto simulate value. So that's fine. So it's got to be here. It's got to be here. So let's take a look. So let's set a breakpoint here. Let's set one here. And let's set them in here and here. And this is going to be a little annoying because there's like 4 of them. But whatever. So run that. And then we go back here. And let's load that same level. Oh, we could do a couple of these things I wrote down too today. Here it is. Okay, so when we load the level, it would make sense that we know we're knitting a state and it's not the game state. In fact, it's probably the editor state. Yep. So we hit that once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. We're gonna get that twice, I think. That's fine. Okay, there we are. Now when we hit play, we should hit this. And this is where okay, we're turning it on because of recording. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then it doesn't matter in this case because we're switching to the game state and that's getting turned on as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Oh, we got some other rando breakpoint here. And then did start recording is happening again. Little weird. Okay. Now I'd love to get this on the first try here, because every time I retry right now I'm gonna hit these breakpoints. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's try and get it. Nope, that's not gonna do it. Oh boy. I don't really want to turn off these breakpoints though. Let's just try and get a good one. Okay. Now, we hit one here. When we go to results, playback did start. That makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And then we hit this anyway, because we're going to a new state, which is not the game state. And so once again, auto simulate is false. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we are in this working version of this. Then we go to the replay editor. What happens? Playback is starting up again, so we're saying false. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Now here we are in the replay editor. Okay. Now we exit. What happens? We get a playback start. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we make it into here and we believe we're going into the game. Why is that? It's because when we leave the replay, we go back to the game, which does this, right? And then where does this get us? It's in here somewhere. It's in game. Where is it? It's in. Is it game? Is it manager game? Lovely name. How do we get back to the results screen? I know we do that somehow here. Probably in the, what is it in? It's in like, state, something with state, nope. Something with state. On state change. Yeah. So we're coming back into the game state. And then we're like, oh, actually, we need to show the level complete. Okay. So nobody has access to menu status, do they? Right, so the problem is we're making it into here. And the problem is this happens after the other one. Okay, so now here's the thing, is that there's a gross solution to this. I think. Which would be, hang on, let's go look at this. I also need to double check the replay then for some of the other ones with these ropes on them. Let's go look at this. So you have the slack trapeze itself, which has an initialization order, and then we have the and then the ropes themselves have a rope like replay or something on them, right? Where is it? Yeah, replayable visual rope. So this bug is because I changed the result screen to have that replay happen in it. And that change was made pretty late, kind of after a lot of the code structure was set. And so it's always been kind of an inelegant fit. And so the problem here is that the slack trapeze likes to pause and unpause the ropes based on what state it's in. We have game, editor, and replay, but the truth is game now can mean both actually playing the game and the results screen, which is executing a replay. And the order of events are such that even though we set this to false right here, we come in afterwards right here and overwrite it. So what's the cleanest way to fix this? I mean, I suppose. No. We want to know in the editor we want this turned off for sure. And in the game we generally do want it on, unless we're replaying. And the sequence here is like, who actually causes the replay to happen? Is it this one? Yeah. I wonder if there's a safe way to change the order of operations here, or what would be the best solution. So actually, this bug is like, all I need is a wire trapeze to exist, and then I need like a way to complete the level. So you go like this, you complete the level. Whoops. Let's attach the Unity editor, or the debugger. What's going on here? Did that not match properly? Try that again. Attach, please. Looks like it's okay. No, it says timeout. I don't like that. Something go wrong here? I don't know if we're attached or not. Let's try loading that old level. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now this is going to be hitting this. We're going to turn these off for a second. Okay. Now we hit play here. Oh. Come on. Nope. Okay. So here, right, we come into the level complete and we say go replay ref, start replaying. And this should cause playback did start to happen. Right? Then we go into the replay. We go to the replay editor, which is also going to cause playback did start to happen. Okay, so we're in here now. That looks fine. Now here, when we come out of here, so we are, here's the problem, I guess, is that we're inside, we're here in the, like we said, let's leave the menu. And we said, let's go to the game mode. So this thing says, let's switch state. And this goes to one of the very first people you get to react to the state change, which is the game manager. And this one is already saying, let's go show the level complete menu. And then that makes us in here, or gets us into here. And we already call .play on this, which is why the sequence is weird. If that could come after everyone got their chance. Ooh, so for that to work, if that's true. If see here how we're inside on state change, if we could let all these run, and then in on state late call play, we could fix the order. That would involve here doing this in on state init late, which is a little scary of a change because there's a fair amount of logic going on here. Yeah, but yeah. So what we could do is we could just move these. So let's stop. Okay, so we could just move these into this, and we want to say if we're, let's do this. Let's grab this kind of chain of testing. Go like that. Get rid of this. Okay, and then down here in okay, so we already have an if game, so we're good there. And then we would basically just say, yeah, then while we're here, also check if this is level complete. And if it is, show that menu. Something like this. Alright, we're going to have to really come in and out of the menus quite a bit here to test this. Make sure this is actually going to fix it. Okay. So this is going to change the order of operations so that we get the state stuff, but then the playback stuff happens afterwards. So let's make sure we use the culprit level first. And I better try some other levels as well. Okay, so here it is. Okay, looks good there. Go into the replay editor, Looks good here. And then exit. It's still busted. Damn. Really? Damn. Let's see. Can we go... Why? Oh, you know what? It's because Slack Trapeze is doing this crap in on state and it late. Is there any reason it needs to be in late? I mean, it looks like it, because it looks like I had this code probably here and then moved it to late. But we could just do this part. Like that, and then here, we just call reset. Also, wouldn't we want to do this here as well? Okay. Ugh. Order of operations gets complicated. This is all really because I had the bright idea, add that cool Polaroid replay thing into the results screen. And maybe in addition to having that idea, I implemented it quickly, what I should say. And late and quick means slightly hacky. Okay, so there it is, it's working. Go into replay editor. Replay editor works. Exit. Looks good. Play the level. Can't play the level. Why can't I play the level? What have I done now? Ooh. What's this? Oh. Okay. Wait, let's go look at this. So that's because of this change I just did here. So normally when you come back to the game menu, or the game, right, we were in the level complete status. We make it into here. Let's see, where else do we do this? Because the problem is we're not doing anything in here anymore. We make it into here, we're like, oh, level is 1. That's interesting though, hang on. What is this? Oh, okay, yeah. So here we are. If we made it into replay, So I'm actually a little confused how this even worked before. Because it seems like the problem is I'm like going back to the results screen even though I shouldn't. Which would be, it's not here, it's going to be level complete retry pressed, right? So what do we do here? We call retry now right here. The problem is in here, we're re-showing the level complete, or I mean they're yeah. So wouldn't we want to do something like that? I don't know. I don't know if that's enough. Eek. Hopefully I am gonna come through the tunnel of confusion here out the other side and have it mostly working. Be nice if I had a faster way to auto load a level. That looks good. Go to replay viewer, that looks good. Leave the replay viewer, that looks good. Play the level. Okay, okay. Do it again. Looks good. Go to the replay viewer. Be so bold as to even export something. Now exit the replay viewer. Looks okay. Play it again. Okay. Okay. Going to edit mode works. Hit play again. Okay, okay. Alright. That fix a second ago wasn't one of those, why does this even work? Whoa. Oh no. Oh no. Wow, we got a bunch of nans. How the... Look at this. We go to edit mode, it's fine. Oh crap. This is that thing I think where we got a second gymnast. Maybe not. We just got some, yeah, something's weird. Wow. Crap. Okay. Let's... Maybe our solution here has introduced more problems than it is solving. It's maybe the rare case where I need to, like, revert and do it a different way. What the heck was the deal there, though? So... Alright, played the level. Go back to edit mode. Play the level. Hit retry. What did I even do? It's like we did this. We did this. We did this? No. Was it because I had exported something? Go here. Make us a GIF. Export or edit or leave there. Play again. Still works. There. What the heck was that? Okay. Level complete, retry pressed. Right? it's because I'm trying to resume. Okay, so that one called set playback percentage, and that one got into here to playback object and said, you're trying to play back a quaternion, and I don't like it because you have like a, we're about to do a divide by 0 or something. Yeah, and then everybody freaks out, essentially because the playback system is setting positions that are screwed up. Okay. Okay, now this hasn't broken before. What did I change about this? I changed this. Oh, that could be the problem. I changed this. So, because that means here, it's doing a full start game as opposed to just like a resume. And actually, if we go back to, whoops. We go back to where we were there. We're gonna call retry now a moment from now. So we don't actually want this. We want, I think we want this. Okay, that semi-explains it. Semi-explains it. I don't know if this is gonna fix it. Let's go find another, or the same level, I guess. This. Although this bug we're working on right now shouldn't have anything to do with the ropes or anything. Okay, again.